Today's tech tip highlights the snipping tool, which can be found on your PC or laptop. What the snipping tool does is, instead of a screenshot or print screen, it allows you to snip or clip any part of your screen or document and then paste it into another project. So I have a graphic that I only want to pull part of this graphic from. So downloading the entire graphic and clipping it would be an option. Instead, I'm going to use my snipping tool. So to find my snipping tool, or any program, I'll come down here to Cortana and I'll type in snipping tool. It's an app. And if I right click on it, I can pin it to my taskbar. I've already pinned it down there below. So instead of searching for it, I can come down here to my taskbar and choose the snipping tool. To take a snip, I'll click New Snip. And maybe I just want to focus on the S of the SAMR model. I'm focusing on technology here and talking about what can you gain from technology, and I'd like to create a whole slide with this information on it. So I've clipped this beginning part here. I can use my highlighter and maybe draw a circle on that clip, and then I can copy that. Another option would be to save that snip to my desktop, upload it to Google Drive if I wanted to. So I can take that snip that I have and I can paste it. And there it is. I can put it into a Google document. I've already pasted that there. So remember, when you need to take a screenshot, try the snipping tool. It's a very useful little tool and it's included in your laptop.